Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The weekend is here! Woohoo! So Amazon released a product recently called the Amazon Fire TV Cube. What it is actually a Amazon Echo Dot plus the Amazon Fire TV. They get married together and it's born. So what is actually the Amazon Fire TV Cube? Well, it does basically what these two devices do. So it can do things like Alexa, turn on table lamp. It can also do things like Alexa, turn on the TV. A little bit slow, but you notice my hand is still there. Aha! And of course, it can do also things like Alexa, good night. Aha! The Fire TV Cube does look like a cube. On top, you can find the volume rocker, the activation button, as well as the mute button. Okay, it's very reflective, as you can see. And if you turn it behind, the power port is on the right, and then the HDMI cable, the infrared socket, as well as a micro USB port. Underneath is where the air vent is at. You can also plug in an external connector, which is connected by a USB cable. On this dongle, you can find a LAN port where if you want to do a direct connection to your router, you can do so. And to the right of it is just another port, which I don't know what it's for. So happy experimenting, I guess. So you may also ask, what else does the Fire TV Cube do? The new Fire TV Cube can control your HDMI inputs with the help of the HDMI CEC. Alexa has already managed to master it. Check out this demonstration. Alexa, switch to PlayStation.
Okay.
Alexa, switch to Fire TV.
Okay.
And the other thing that it can do is when you are watching something, you can just say Alexa, it will pause the video just to listen to you. And the other thing that you can do is that you can do a search while you're watching a video. For example, you're watching Luke Cage on Netflix, and for some mysterious reason you're thinking, who is that guy that directed Titanic? And then you just say something like this. Check out the demonstration.
Welcome back.
Alexa,
Congrats.
who directed Titanic?
Titanic's director is James Cameron.
What else does the Fire TV Cube do? Well, there's an additional thing that it does. It controls electronics such as your hi-fi, your speakers, your sound bars, anything that has an IR receiver inbuilt inside these devices. Pretty much it can control. But because of some limitations, there are some brands which is not supported by Amazon. But I'm very sure with future updates and firmware, Amazon is probably going to rule the world. Okay, because it is so sensitive, you know, when the name props up, every time I call it by its name, it kind of like appear. I'm not going to call it by its name, I'm just going to call it John. Now, because the AI is really inbuilt into the system, you can just talk to John and control the device just using your own voice. You do have the remote, however, and if you're feeling lazy to use the remote, well, you can just do things like Alexa, launch Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
But what I notice is that every time you want it to launch Netflix, it doesn't go straight into the homepage. It goes to the page where you need to select which one is your account. If your account is only one, I think it will go straight to the homepage, but It doesn't, alright? If you have more than one account like mine, with all the leeches all tagging to my account, this is what happens, alright? Also, if you say things like, Alexa, play Friends.
Getting Friends from Netflix.
So again, because you have more than one account, it'll get stuck to this page. It will not play Friends like you want it to. For Amazon Prime videos, it works perfectly well. You can say things like, Alexa, play Sneaky Pete.
Here's Sneaky Pete. Oh.
I don't need the money. I need someone to launder it.
Because it is biased towards Amazon videos, you get this kind of result. So currently what I'm using the Amazon TV Cube for is basically to just power on the TV, to power off the lamp, my own home automation that includes every other things. Apart from that, there's still a bit of limitations. You have to be patient with Amazon. So verdict, is it a good buy? I would say yes. It has to be the most advanced TV streamer or media streamer out there in the market. If you're looking for one, the one that is most advanced apart from the Fire TV Cube, you can look for the NVIDIA TV Shield, but it is not as powerful as the Fire TV Cube. Am I happy with my purchase? Yes, because I know that Amazon will fully support the system. It just got recently released and I'm sure it's going to stay on or probably exist in the market, in the ecosystem for another at least 2 to 3 years. In that time frame, I'm very sure more advanced features will be released and I'm hoping that it will get released very soon. Alright, because I really want to use this to power on everything, including the aircon. How awesome would that be if I can power that on, or that fan that's behind the camera? I can just laze around and be a couch potato finally. Alright guys, definitely hit me up in the comment section to ask further questions about the Fire TV Cube. If not, do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you like what I produce. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Da 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 da.